You don't see the video. The video they actually been trend on Instagram at some point. It also trended on Twitter, and people come to ask questions. Say is it like Nigeria don't reach this extent? Maybe say food where don't pour on the floor with sand. These people were picking it even despite with the stone and with the sand
because they know say they go
and the rest of them. But you know what thing they come they talk. They say God has given us food. They don't turn them to like manna for the Israelites. Exactly. They can't turn them to manna we don't fall. We're going to the Israelites level. And some of these Kaduna residents, they captured in that video when they pick spaghetti, they pick noodles from that trailer we pour, like the trailer overturned on a busy road. And the accident, they actually attract a lot of people, plenty for their way they gathered the food, and they were expressing their gratitude, funny enough, for the fact that they were able to pick rice, to pick spaghetti, noodles, everything we don't scatter break like for floor.
You see, songwriter talks, his name is Steve Curtis Chapman. He say, no heart day, nobody day more happy to sit down for table where food day pass the person we understand the pain of hunger. You know that they talk? The people they're hungry. They don't get money to buy food. Things don't go up.
Yeah.
So to them, then they see this accident as a blessing. Then they see them as a blessing. So if fall for ground, no problem. They go pack them with the stones. They go home, go wash the stones, come out, cook, chop.
But you go see the sandy, right? Because there's no way you won't wash them to that extent.
In the days when local rice they rain, where if you buy rice, you go sit down, pick all the stones, come out.
Yeah.
Before they go cook them. When they get one skillful way where they go teach you how to wash sand come out from inside rice.
You get any skillful way to
especially northerners.
Yes. How? What's the way?
You go put them for inside water now. So you go sieve them. Then as you sieve them, as the rice they reduce, you go under, you go come see
the sand.
So they go do them several times until they get to the point where as they see them, they know they see the stones again.
And for when they chop them, so you know go feel it.
No, you know go feel it.
Yeah, really? That's interesting.
I'm telling you.
Wow. All right, Becca, please, you just nailed it. Really, as humans, they hear everything where people they talk, you filter information. I somewhat love Lady J, but sometimes she gets too emotional when people talk about her. Please, ma, don't let what people say kill your morale. God bless you, Abraham from Surulere.
Thank you, Abraham from Surulere. I really appreciate your words, but like always they talk, I be human being and I get feelings. So no how, no be say if you say they listen, I don't stop a long time ago, but you know when you don't they push and don't they hear this thing over, it get as it go take affect you. So you go need a thicker skin. Already I get thick skin, but I go need something thicker to still push. But nonetheless, we learn every day. But thank you for your kind words. I appreciate. Why they laugh?
Now the way we say you actually talk about. I know towards the direction that they try to talk.
I get you. I get what in they try talk. Okay. I understand.
Okay. Now to this next talk. I don't know if you also come across this particular thing where they talk say you get one particular school for inside Ileki where they know they admit schools will come from divorced home.
This one they call stigmatization of the
never hear them.
I never hear them.
When last you enter social media?
I do social media now, but maybe the kind of stories you they get, I know they see those.
Because they're actually trending conversations. Because when this one actually come out, some people they like the fact say that kind of school day. Some people talk, see, just like you say, discrimination, stigmatization. But some people talk, say, this kind of school now, again, embrace family values. Say there is a need for a child, make it get both the father and the mother, to guide and to whatever. But I don't know. Some people see them from another position. Some other people see them from another position. So, and this school is not in. outside Nigeria. Now just close to us. Lekki phase 1, yeah. Now in this school, they will say they talk, say the moment you come there as a parent, they ask you questions, and maybe you say, okay, my child is with me, the father is not, so whatever, or probably they know say they divorced or whatever. So they know they give those kind of children, they know they give them admission into that secondary school.
This is a case of punishing an innocent child for what he no get handed for. Nobody became fault, say the parents, then they divorce, they no day together. Sometimes it go good if you try find out what thing happen.
When at the school they go do that kind of thing.
If their feet get to the point of say they know they admit children where come from divorce home, then they need to make the findings. Because nobody pikin wish say I go live with only daddy or mommy. Now every pikin happiness and dream to live with both daddy and mommy. But if irreconcilable differences there for grand, we be say we go make both adults not to see eye to eye, and then people need to understand that say issues between couples it affect the children as well. Children know when their parents know they together. That now, if they get issue, even if they try hide them, the children they know. And if their parents they together, they feel very happy. I remember times when my mommy and daddy go get quarrel.
Yeah.
If the ones where we they hear and the ones where they see, I know how they make me feel. I know they feel happy.
Yeah.
As a child. So if it can't happen, say okay, we no fit there together again. And now for the good of this child, say make we go a different way. See. Admits the child get the right to education, but you can't say because of the child parents they divorce. You be like say they take out punishment
of the parents
on the child. Not be the pikin fault.
So from what they say plenty schools full Lagos. So not only their school actually there. So, but since now their own rules where they stand by, say anybody will not be okay. With their own this thing, when they're okay with their own rules, can actually go to another school where they feel accept that kind of family arrangement when they go be rating they actually get. So some people say if the school say that's what they want, then now them they get their own choice to make.
I agree.
And if you feel say as a parent, the school where you want to carry your pikin go, they say they know they do this then. Take your child to somewhere else. Although for me, I know I lie to you, I believe say as much as we have laws and protection for women, like adults and the rest of like your human rights and the rest of them, I think right now they need to have laws and protection for children as well, so that when things like this they happen, now this law and protection wait there for child or for the children, I ain't go fit able to guide the children through. Maybe say I no reason with waiting you talk at all, because I be lover of if something is not working, let it go. You understand? If most often I don't try so much, and I don't because at the end of the day, too, even if your daddy and your mommy, they try to make things work,
and it's not they work,
they are not happy as well individually, but because of the child or the children, and they go so okay, they can for it, like let us continue, but indirectly your happiness matters as well, as much as the happiness of the children also matters. But if two adults no conflict come reconcile whatever actually they happen between them, and it cause them their unhappiness, if you lead to something else, you don't see somebody else go talk say I am unhappy in this marriage, and before they go kill the other half so that they will go free. Because you know say some people believe say death feed was part. You understand? So instead of you going to the extent of having to kill your partner
or wishing
they can die, why don't you just understand? So like, and at the same time, we don't go fit talk say I don't want to talk say they know
I feel like no, the proprietor of that school na Nigerian, I've been a non-Nigerian. That na the first one. Secondly, like I talk, divorce, separation between parents, they affect the pikin. Sometimes the pikin get what they call pent up anger, and then when they reach school, they go start to fight their classmates. They don't mean to fight their class, but they try relieve and release themselves from waiting. Then they go to the pain where then they go through. So the only way they go feel they see the need to release that pain at when they go dey aggressive towards other children, aggressive towards the teacher. They go say this one, they don't go do am. Not because they just plan say I go do am like this. Now waiting, then they go through trauma. The trauma of say they don't lose one parent.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I remember how I feel when my biological papa he passed. In as much as I say yes, the way we relate, no, get issues, but when I hear how my classmates they will say, oh, I talk to my daddy, I talk to my daddy, I talk to my daddy, and I don't get daddy. I know how it make me feel. So this one, I not be say daddy don't die. Daddy did there, but daddy no did the same house with mommy. Or mommy no did the same house with daddy. So that one in enough trauma and pain for them. So what them go do? They don't know what to do with the pain. They don't know how to handle them. So when they reach school, anyhow, they go just want relieve themselves of that whole stress and pain where they go through. So rather than blame the children for say your parents divorce, we no fit admit you. Now today empathetic with the children. They empathize with them and make them understand say no be your fault. Sometimes they blame them. Say, get what my friends will tell me, say one time she and her husband they argue and their son so as they go, now the boy comes and say, mommy, I'm sorry. Say for what? Because you are angry with daddy. Hey, the mama say she feels so sad. She said this boy feels say 9 fault. He said no, it's not your fault. Not your fault, okay? Don't worry, me and daddy will be fine.
Okay.
When she tell him that one, come happy, come smile.
Yeah.
She tell her, say, don't worry, me and daddy will be fine. We will sort ourselves out, So now every child dream, every child happiness, joy, say, mommy and daddy day together. You understand? So when that thing don't happen,
nothing for them to do.
So they traumatized already. Having to say they go spend holiday with mommy, then I spend part of my holiday with daddy. They don't like him. But they don't do what to do.
Because about a man and a woman. Before you text, they go start talking to me. They saw these videos. I don't know if you saw the video of a man, a lawyer, where we say actually they beat his wife in front of the 2 daughters. You see that one too? I've been no seeing.
The one who I know, not the lawyer we beat his wife for outside naked.
Okay, no, be that one.
Okay,
no, be that one. So this one, I think probably something like that don't happen for some time. The lady now installed a camera without the husband's knowledge.
Oh, the wife installed camera for the house. Okay,
close to the dining table. So I think the husband did not know that there was a camera there. So probably the lady wanted to get that video as evidence. Say this man don't actually do these things for some time now, and a lawyer and the NBA people, they know what it is, when it comes to DV, when it comes to domestic violence. They know what it be. Say if they catch you, if there's any evidence say you do something like that, of course you are going to lose your job,
your license,
as well. So this lady actually put the camera. The husband no know, and the husband, as usual, the children were there, 2 daughters, they were there, and close to the time they have their argument. At some point, I heard the man telling the children to go inside their room, to make them go inside their room, and of course the lady's hands on the wife. So when the video come out, they come talk, say it means this man is going to lose his license and lose his job. Say waiting come with the gift of the woman, knowing that her husband is going to lose his job and lose his license. There's this guy on Twitter called Adma Joe or something, Adma Bo or something, John Doe, I think. So this guy, I don't know the people where they follow. I don't think I'm following him, but I usually see when other people retweet about the people where they follow each other, they retweet some stuff where they post. But it's this kind of, I don't know, maybe they feel like that, I don't know. But the man, someone they put the blame on the woman, say the woman, what she do not make sense. Say how will she be able to take care of the home now, knowing that a decision of inserting a camera, bringing the family to public scrutiny, so as I speak big English, bringing the family to the public eyes now, don't make her husband lose his job. Say why they no fit settle amicably with the family, the relatives, like calling the family of the guy, make them settle instead of her putting a camera, just to bring evidence, say okay, I've been talking about this, and now say the husband don't lose in job, say waiting she go gain from this particular. I don't know, but for me, when that man said, when I saw it, I'm like, this man, I think it's going to be a different thing. As you say, this man beats this lady to death. Imagine that this lady is your youngest sister. You go say me she you go say
wetin she gain
by bringing the
no.
I don't know if not only me feel like that.
They feel that way. I know that they will say I will be women. I agree with the women. How many women don't die for inside marriage in the name of because of the children? Make I continue they cover up. And then before anything happen, without warning, the man beat the woman to death. How many? We don't lose count. Waiting this woman do it dey possible say she don't report am to family, to friends, wey fit talk to am, and he go always deny am. He go say you no do anything like that. You should get evidence. If dey possible say he don't boast am say you no get evidence, nobody go believe you. I know of a story of a man wey be say when he dey beat the wife, they tell am say if you like go tell anybody, they no go believe you. Again, now they tell their wives that anything, if you like, try for not to do, nobody goes. So sometimes it's good if they get hardcore evidence to prove, say, I don't they cry all this time, oh, anytime I talk, I go say, na lie, be good person, see the evidence. Okay, if they vex, say the woman put camera, he losing job. So it they okay for this man to continue to beat the wife in the presence of the daughters. He let us in waiting the son talk. Say now for their present, the papa they beat them. We go even tell them say make them join them, they beat him and say it they okay to beat their mother. It is very wrong when we want cover up something just because say na man. So if they provide because they provide make it they beat the woman when they exchange their vows. Yeah, he talk say I go they beat him. When he kneel, go down on one knee, propose to him, will you marry me? He tell him say, yeah, will you marry me? But I will be beating you. That one a part of the agreement what they get. No, what your wife go do you? When you say you go they beat this woman right in the presence of your children. You know how traumatizing it will be for children to see their father they beat their mama. I had a close friend years ago. Sadly, the papa don't pass. When the woman still they carry their second child for belle, the man they beat him in the presence of the they thought them around 3-4. So one way she not fit take her now, so she come carry herself say I beg you, I know make this man not come kill me. I say up to the point when she be 7 months pregnant, you see they beat her. When he come here say she don't born, confidently he come at papa house to come see the baby. The papa pursue and come out, say get out of my house. You waiting this small girl talk? She says, Shebi, you are the one that want to keep my money for me, Abi. Good for you. You see? Waiting this because she said, the tell me say, sometimes if the man they beat him, the girl go come, they go carry her shoe, they beat the papa. Say make him papa leave beating mama. You know how traumatizing that one be for children to see you beating their mother. They're very traumatizing, and most times they don't ever get to. If you hear some guys who say they don't want married, then because of this kind of thing.
Okay, you feel you feel make an open conversation.
Yeah, exactly. For workshop to ask
if they feel say the woman should have inserted the camera and blah blah blah.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.